Hello everyone. If you're new to 3D printing and if you're getting these wait for filament unload messages in a mid print and you don't understand why, um, most likely you have filament change settings in your slicer and in your G code. That's what I had a month ago when I bought my printer, and I didn't understand what I was doing. I was using, and I'm still using, Prusa Slicer. I didn't use the Cura ever, so I don't know how it's done in Cura. But basically, I was having prints like this, and I think I was just pressing all the buttons I saw, and I changed the settings on the slicer right here. And when I did that, I didn't realize what I did. And when I sliced it, when I got the G code and I started printing, I was getting these exact filament changes at the same levels. So what you just have to do when you get this, um, let's see, yeah, well, you have the color print right here. So when you have this, just get to the point right here where the color changes, and instead of having this plus here, you're gonna have the X. Just press that, remove the color, go here, press X, and here you go. You have one color for the whole print, and you're not gonna get that message, this message, in the middle of print, especially in the middle of the night if you print it at night. And now when you delete these, you have all this information for you. So this is it basically. That's as easy as it is. All right, thank you. Good luck printing.